Hey guys, so for that video update, I'm actually going to do some collection videos. So today I'm also going to do Disney Pens collection and soundtrack CDs, part 1. So these will be 10 minutes, hopefully. So first one up is Ray. Now this is about Ray Charles. And you can see from the background, I'm a little bit bald, but it's fine. So this is Ray Charles. Ray is a good movie. I mean, it's kind of slow at parts, but it's really good. Jamie Foxx did great. So this is like a soundtrack, and I hope there's good music on here. And normally with soundtracks, they also include little information about the CDs and the music behind all of them. So we get some nice artwork again. So I'm growing back hair. It's just gonna take time. So I was kind of bald, and I'm still working on growing back all of it. So that's why my haircut is different from last October. Last December. Excuse me. So we got the back. So Ray is a good movie. Definitely worth watching, and we got the CD. This was a 2004 release. Next one up is Wonder Boys. Michael Douglas, Tobey Maguire. I haven't seen this movie yet, but it looks pretty good. We got other songs on here too. This is a 2000 movie. It's a movie into the next era. Moving to the next century. But I haven't seen this one yet, but it's really good. I heard it's really good. So we got your disc, your back. I don't know what that symbolizes since I haven't seen it. But we got the Wonder Boys, little information, other scenes involved, other CDs, and looks like it has all production notes and like movie scenes, so on and so forth. So the Wonder Boys is I haven't seen this yet, but looking forward to checking it out. It looks quite good. So next one up is When Harry Met Sally. Now this is a really good rom-com. Definitely one of the best from the 1980s. 1989. So you got your disc. White. Get the back with information of the songs. And we got your other pictures from the movie. So When Harry Met Sally is a very good movie, and I'm looking forward to popping the CD in. So that should be good. So it's a pretty good rom-com from back in the day. Next one up is Disney Hercules. Now this is a really good movie. I'm assuming this is a good soundtrack. Hopefully. So we got the back. Nice picture over there. Got the disc. Kind of plain looking, but alright. The inside artwork. Different song lyrics. This is a very good movie. little coupon for other books. And that's the back. So, Hercules is a good movie. Definitely worth watching. Next one up is The Hunchback of Notre Dame. Now, this is a really good movie, but it's really dark at points, and it's kind of sad, but I definitely recommend checking it out. It's really good. Now, Hercules was 1997. Hunchback of Notre Dame was 1996, so like a year apart. But this is a really good movie. Again, definitely has a fan base out there. You got your disc, inside artwork, different lyrics, different songs. And looks like I think it's little coupons or proof of purchase there too. So we got the back. So The Hunchback of Notre Dame is a good movie. I definitely recommend checking it out. Next one up is not Disney, but Titanic. Now, this CD is probably going to be pretty good too. The movie was pretty good itself. Kind of overrated, to be honest, but it's still good. But I'm pretty sure most people have this in their collection, like CDs and like movies. So you got your disc, which is pretty nice. We got a little song and the main two characters, Jack and Rose. And we got a little theme song there, so that's nice. We also got a little book inside. Different songs. Information about the movie. Little scenes here and there. The Titanic crashing scene. So there's that. So Titanic is a really good movie. I highly recommend watching it, but I'm pretty sure most people seen it before. Next one up is the Thomas Crown Affair. This is a remake of the original one with, I think, Steve McQueen. I don't know. Oh, it's a remake of the 1968 version. So we got your little list of like songs, so on and so forth. I haven't seen this remake yet, or the original, but I heard this was pretty decent, and I'm looking forward to checking it out. So we got your disc. Pretty plain looking, too. Again, advertisements and song lists and other pictures from the film. So, the Thomas Crown Affair looks like a good movie. Looks fun. So, there you go. And actually, I'm probably going to do this for 12 minutes, to be honest, for each part. So, my next one up is The Big Chill. Sweet. This was like the 15-year anniversary of this movie. They released a CD on, and I haven't seen this one either, but I heard it's a great movie. It's about friends getting along with each other, like a reunion. I think someone dies, so I think they're trying to all, wait, we night with each other and talk about the situation and like get along with each other after years apart. So I heard this is a pretty good movie, and I'm looking forward to checking it out. So we got the disc, we got the back here, and other advertisements for the song, and looks like a DVD or something. Back. This was a movie that was released in 1983. The Thomas Crown Affair was released in 1999, and Titanic was released 1997. So The Big Chill is I heard it's a good movie, so I'm looking forward to checking it out. And there you go. So in this part, in this part, I did 8 CDs, so that's kind of good. In part 2, I'll starting to do Sinister List. The next part, I'll start talking about Sinister List and some other CDs. This is kind of like a preview. So I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and bye. And I'll see you guys later.